Hello student, myself Trilok Chanjajarya. Today I am going to take the topic called inventory management. Students, in inventory management, first of all we learn stock levels, which is maintained by the stockkeeper for smooth functioning of production. So first of all we will learn the minimum level. What is the minimum level? Minimum level indicates the lowest figure of inventory which is maintained by the company to avoid any kind of stoppage of production. It means what? The company needs to maintain a minimum number of units in a go down, so any point of time the production should not be stopped. Suppose if there is a demand of raw material, that point of time the stockkeeper should be able to give this raw material required by the production site. That is, in formula we will learn the formula of minimum level. To calculate the minimum level, the formula says reorder level minus average consumption into average reorder period. ठीक है, सो फॉर्मूला क्या कहता है? रीऑर्डर लेवल माइनस एवरेज कंजम्पशन इनटू एवरेज रीऑर्डर लेवल. रीऑर्डर लेवल मींस क्या होता है? रीऑर्डर लेवल मींस दैट लेवल व्हेन द कंपनी विल गेट द इंडिकेशन कि नाउ इट्स अ टाइम टू रीऑर्डर द थिंग्स. ठीक है, इट्स टाइम टू रीऑर्डर. सो जब रीऑर्डर जिस लेवल पे आके द कंपनी मैनेजर थिंक्स कि नाउ दिस इज द टाइम टू रीऑर्डर, दैट इज कॉल्ड रीऑर्डर लेवल. व्हाट इज एवरेज कंजम्पशन? एवरेज कंजम्पशन मींस व्हाट? It's a combination of maximum consumption and minimum consumption, or in simply form, average of maximum consumption and minimum consumption. We know that every company has a capacity to produce something in a particular day. The company can, suppose I say, the company can utilize 100 units of raw material in a day, maximum level, or minimum company can utilize 50 units of raw material. So 150 I will add together and then divide by 2. So I will get the average of 75. So means the 75 units always remain in the stock. ठीक है, that is called average consumption. Or you can say any point of time 75 units can be asked by the production manager. ठीक है, average reorder period means what? We know that whenever we give the order to our supplier, the supplier will take the time for delivery. There will be minimum delivery time and maximum delivery time. Suppose your supplier say I will give the delivery within 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days, within 2 to 3 days. It means minimum he will require 2 days for delivery or maximum 3 days. So average reorder means what? We will add together minimum reorder period and plus maximum reorder periods divided by 2, then we will get average reorder period. So average consumption is also known as normal consumption. In some of the question you will get the normal consumption. If the question directly given the normal consumption, then there is no requirement to calculate the average consumption. As I said, average consumption, to calculate the average consumption, what we are doing? We are adding minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. If question is given normal consumption, then there is no need to calculate average consumption. Reorder period means is also called lead time. And I told you the reorder period means the period which is required by the supplier to deliver the goods. ठीक है. Then next level is maximum level. It indicates the maximum figure of inventory or quantity held in stock at any point of time. The stockkeeper should maintain inventory in a go down to some extent, not beyond that extent. अगर मैक्सिमम लेवल को ऊपर भी हम अगर इन्वेंट्री मेंटेन करते हैं, इट मीन्स अननेसेसरी वी आर ब्लॉकिंग आवर कैपिटल इन इन्वेंट्री, विच इज नॉट गुड साइन फॉर अ कंपनी. ठीक है, सो मैक्सिमम लेवल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला वी हैव रीऑर्डर लेवल प्लस रीऑर्डर क्वांटिटी माइनस minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. I am repeating again, formula says reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. ठीक है, then reorder level, I already told you reorder level lies between the minimum and maximum level. So reorder level वो level होता है जहाँ पे purchase manager needs to give the order again to their supplier. ठीक है, because if we go beyond this reorder level, it means company going to danger zone और कभी भी production रुक सकता है. So to avoid the production, or you can say to level maintain minimum level, the company manager needs to again give the order to the supplier. So reorder level का formula क्या कहता है हमारा? maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. Maximum consumption, we already know that कि any point of time the company, how much unit can be utilized by a company at maximum level और at हायर लेवल. ठीक है, ऐसे मैक्सिमम रीऑर्डर पीरियड भी होता है, जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया 2 to 3 days, सो 3 इज द मैक्सिमम रीऑर्डर पीरियड. और minimum level minus average consumption into average reorder period. We have a two formula for reorder level. And finally we have a average level, average inventory level, जो उसका रहता है minimum level plus maximum level divided by 2. So these are the four important formulas which help us to calculate stock levels. And these four formulas is also helping us to avoid any blockage of capital in inventory. Okay. Students, now it's time for practical questions, so we can get the more understanding how to calculate the minimum level, maximum level, or different kind of formula. Like in this question, the question says, in a company, weekly minimum and maximum consumption of material A are 23. This is the minimum consumption, and 75 units is maximum consumption. The reorder quantity as fixed by the company is 300 units. It means that whenever the company, or you can say the purchase manager reorder, that point of time he will order 300 units in one shot. Means whenever he will order, he will ask about 300 units at the time. So that is called reorder quantity. So whenever he make the order, he will always place the order of 300 units. The material is received within a 4 to 6 week. It means the 4 is a minimum reorder period and 6 is maximum reorder period. It means the minimum 4 weeks is required for delivery, or you can say maximum 6 weeks is required for delivery. ठीक है, मिनिमम 4 days में आपको डिलीवरी मिल जाएगी, अदरवाइज मैक्सिमम 6 वीक तक तो आपको डिलीवरी आपके पास मिल जाएगी. Now question says calculate minimum level and maximum level of material. So whenever we are solving the question, first of all we should write down the formula first. So what is the formula of minimum level? So minimum level formula says reorder level minus average consumption into average reorder period, like this. Reorder level minus average consumption into average reorder period. Now try to figure out, is there any information available which is suitable for this formula? So in this question there is no information about reorder level, no information about average consumption, no information about average reorder level. So first of all we will try to figure out all the three information, then we will put that information in the formula and we will easily calculate the minimum level. So first of all we should figure out the missing information. So like this, first of all we will calculate average or normal consumption. So average और normal consumption का formula क्या कहता है? Minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. This is the formula. So हमारा minimum consumption कितना है? 25 plus 75 divided by 2. So कितना आया? 50. 50 units हमारा average consumption आ गया, और you can say normal consumption. Now average reorder period. Average reorder period क्या है? Minimum 4, maximum 6. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 5 weeks. रीऑर्डर लेवल का फॉर्मूला क्या कहता है हमारा? मैक्सिमम कंजम्पशन इनटू मैक्सिमम रीऑर्डर पीरियड. सो मैक्सिमम कंजम्पशन कितना है? 75. मैक्सिमम कंजम्पशन कितना है? 75. और मैक्सिमम रीऑर्डर पीरियड कितना है? 6. तो 75 इंटू 6 which is 450 units. 450 units. Now we can use this formula to calculate minimum level. So हमारे पास तीनों इन्फॉर्मेशन आ गई है. सो मिनिमम लेवल इक्वल्स टू 450 रीऑर्डर लेवल, ये रहा हमारा, अभी ढूंढा था. एवरेज कंजम्पशन ये रहा, और एवरेज रीऑर्डर पीरियड 5 weeks. सो वी विल पुट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. सो 450 माइनस 250 आ जाएगा. सो फाइनली वी आर गेटिंग 200 यूनिट्स एज अ मिनिमम लेवल. ओके. Now second part of the question asks about the maximum level. So maximum level equals to रीऑर्डर लेवल प्लस रीऑर्डर क्वांटिटी माइनस मिनिमम कंजम्पशन इनटू मिनिमम रीऑर्डर पीरियड। सो क्वेश्चन हमें पता है रीऑर्डर लेवल कितना अभी ढूंढा था हमने 450, रीऑर्डर क्वांटिटी 300 यूनिट्स था, मिनिमम कंजम्पशन 225 यूनिट्स एंड 4 वीक्स मिनिमम रीऑर्डर पीरियड। सो जब सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे पहले ब्रैकेट को तो 100 आ जाएगा, फिर 450 प्लस 300 750, 750 में से 100 गया तो हमें मिलेगा 650 यूनिट्स, दैट इज मैक्सिमम लेवल। ओके